Not being able to smile, being very self-conscious about how you look, because when you talk to somebody, they're always looking at your teeth. You can't have a proper conversation because you're always thinking about what they're thinking about, what they're looking about. And when you talk to somebody, they look at your face and they look at your teeth and then they stand back because they're disgusted.
John did not like to smile. Even in speaking, I could tell just in the first few seconds that he was very self-conscious. John did struggle with his confidence. His smile was evident.
I started researching on what options are available now because things have graduated over the years. When this was presented to me, it was a one-day surgery, 1 day in and out, and all I had to do was maintain and follow instructions and follow the procedure so I could get what I wanted done. It was a shorter amount of time. It was the best choice I ever made.
After John went through the all-in-4 process, his entire life has been much better. He loves to smile, he talks more. You can tell he's back to John, the real John.
My life after all-in-4 has been, I finally look in the mirror, I finally smile, I finally see the person I wanted to be for the last 20 years. I'm not afraid to smile anymore.
You can really see how much this has affected him, how much this has changed him in the most positive of ways. After seeing John, after the procedure, and even to this day, it always reiterates to me why I enjoy doing this.